Hey, welcome to Mercy Couture Wigs YouTube channel. All right, so we have everything wigs that you need, hair tutorials, behind the scenes footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, mercycouturewigs.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Niasha from Mercy Couture Wigs, and I'm going to do a get ready with me with you guys. All right, so right now I am going to do my makeup and then I'm going to do my hair. Okay, so we're going to just fast forward through this, and pretty much I'm having difficulty, as you can see. So we're using some Estee Lauder's Henna is the foundation that I'm using. It's Estee Lauder and the color is Henna. And what I'm doing is putting it on my sponge and my beauty blender sponge, and then I am applying it to my eye area because I'm going out to eat, so I'm only gonna really have a mask, a eye and up look, kind of, sort of. But I am going to take my mask off if I have to eat anything or anything. But right now what I'm doing is trying to just neutralize my eye color, make sure everything is just one color, because I do plan on putting some shadow on. And I am really struggling over here, okay? As you can see, like, I'm really having a hard time because I do not have any more foundation left. I don't know how I let it get this bad, but I do not have any more foundation. And this is my favorite foundation. And the other foundation that I used to use was like a Nars Velvet tinted moisturizer. So it was kind of matte because I don't like shiny foundation. But I probably should use shiny foundation in the wintertime and matte in the summertime is what I'm thinking. So I might go back to Sephora and see if I could get like another foundation that's going to be more conducive to the weather. So now I'm doing my eyebrow with Anastasia's brow. This is like the single, excuse me, this is the single, not the angled one. It's like the thin brow pencil. It's not the angled one. So what I'm doing is just drawing in my brow. Now, I don't really have brows, but on my right side, which is kind of okay, so my right side I had microblading done before, and they kind of tattooed my eyebrow in. It's like some part of the microblading, which is like 5 years ago, it still remains on my eyebrow, so I have to kind of draw that in, otherwise it's gonna look funny if I don't. But it's okay because I don't mind the thickness of that type of eyebrow. So I'm just going in, and I'm not a makeup artist or a makeup guru or anything. I just watched a lot of videos and I just practice along the way. So I'm just now just feathering it in, and I'm trying to just make sure that I get the best eyebrow that I can get, because I really do want to microblade my eyebrows again, but it's just been a struggle to figure out like who to go to, where to go to. It's just a lot, you know what I'm saying? Especially since right before the pandemic, I found somebody who I really kind of like said, oh yeah, I'm excited, I'm going to get my eyebrows done. Literally like 2 days before everything got shut down, she canceled my appointment. So I'm back to like the drawing board. I'm not going to go to that lady that I went to before, because everybody else's eyebrow she did look like bomb. And when it got to my eyebrow, I was like, this does not look like the samples. And she was in the back of a nail salon slash barbershop, so that should have been like a red flag for me. But then again, I have done a lot worse. So, hey. All right, so we are now just filling in everything that I accidentally wiped off and just making sure that everything looks, pretty much normal. And I think I drew like a little bit too much on that side because my eyebrows are also uneven. So I have to make sure that I kind of draw them naturally, and also make sure that they look natural and not like OD fake eyebrows. I don't know, just look crazy. And pardon my little paint stains. I used this bonnet while I was painting, obviously. Anyway, so we are just making sure that, yes, we're doing the eyebrows, and we're making sure that the eyebrows look amazing. All right, so I am now on the powder. So I'm taking like a light peach, very, very light peach, to just mask the color and to just give me a base, so I can put the whatever color that I want to put on it. But I could have used concealer and stuff like that, but I didn't, because this is supposed to be like a quick get ready with me. You know what I'm saying? So this is like my quick glam. It only took me like, I would say 15-20 minutes at the most to do this. And it's quick. Now, I don't, depending on whatever complexion you can use, whatever I would say you would use a color that matches best to your skin complexion, but matches exactly or almost to the T of your complexion to get that whole natural look. If you want that natural look, you could stop here. As long as you pack on enough eyeshadow to your eye on your eyes. But you could stop there and then add your eyeliner, your top and bottom liner, add your lashes, you know what I'm saying? Add a little wing to give you just some more, character. Or if you don't want a wing, don't add a wing. So, but for the most part, you know, I am just adding, now I'm adding this color, which is kind of like more of a darker peach, so it's like a lighter brown, but it really looks more like a lighter, looks more like a darker peach in person, okay? But here it kind of looks like just a light brown. So I'm just doing this. Now I'm not leaving this like this, so don't think that, oh my God, why is she not blending anything? Yes, I'm going to blend. Calm down, okay? Well, if you didn't get excited, don't calm down. You know what I'm saying? Keep up the momentum. But you get what I'm saying. So I'm just now blending everything in. So here goes the blend. Yes. So I'm just going to blend, 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 blend. I have no model of what I'm actually going to do. I just know what colors I'm going to use. And I just know that I want like AKA smoky look. But I don't want a smoky look. So I'm just going to sit there and I'm blending away. Blending, blending, blending. I basically packed on everything and I'm just going to blend it together. Which, like I said, I'm not a makeup artist or anything. This is just a quick way. Normally, I would probably take a little bit more time. But this was a quick way for me to get a makeup look. Or just a look in general in under 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Without taking like a whole bunch of time. And granted, I did not use a lot of foundation. Okay, I put whatever foundation I was going to put on previously, and I didn't add any more foundation. Not just because I didn't want to, it's because I didn't have any more. I don't know how I let this foundation go, but I work from home, so I don't really have to go out and put makeup on. So that's my excuse, and that's my reason. I hope you forgive me. I'm sorry. All right, so now I'm using like this shimmer golds shade. So I'm just putting that on my eyelids and I'm just trying to get a little pop and have some shimmer in my eye. Girl, I'm not going anywhere, excuse me. I don't know what the heck I thought I was doing, but I was really trying to do a video for you guys, all right? So I did all of this to do a video, even though I would have done it anyway to go out, but still. I just did this and I recorded everything for you. So I'm adding my eyeliner. Now, this is from Sephora. Oh, back it up, back it up, back it up. So the eye palette that I got is from Sephora as well. I don't think they sell it anymore. That eye palette is like mad old, but it's really conducive. It has like 6 colors and all of them are like on the peachy nudes kind. So it's no like vibrant colors. It's like a peachy nude, then a mauve, and then a darker mauve. And it's all in that whole kind of like peachy, kind of like burgundy family. But it does have a light peach on it. So I guess that's supposed to give you a high, your medium, and your lows. So I use actually this, if I'm going anywhere and I'm putting lashes on, I'll use this. This is a glitter eyebrow pen, eyeliner from Sephora, black glitter. And I use that because it really gets in between the lashes and my actual skin. That way there's no like skin showing when I put the lashes on. Just accidentally if I don't put it down, far enough to the lashes. So I just try to make sure, and plus it has glitter. And I love anything glittery. Yes, I love to sparkle. All right, so now I'm just adding this Kat Von D Tattoo Special Edition eyeliner to my eyes. I'm adding my wing. And if I just missed anything, I'm going to just run over the eye makeup. Here I'm using my Nars Concealer. This is the light color. This is like the sample size, so they don't have a bunch of colors. So this is probably like the medium light, but it's a shade lighter than my skin. So don't do this at home, guys, okay? Yes, I am using my fingers, but that's because I didn't want to stop recording and go find a brush that was actually going to blend in the highlighter into my makeup. But it actually worked out perfectly fine. And then I went back in and just drew in whatever if I messed anything up, but it went in fine. Now, I do like how my eyeshadow is looking. It's looking very natural. Just looks like I have like, hey, I just brightened up my eyes a little bit. You know, it's not too much or anything, but it's just really, really natural. Now, the only thing I really regret is that I wish I had a little bit more concealer so I can put under my eyes. I didn't bake anything because all I'm doing is going out for 2 hours and it'll be all right. But that left eye, you see, yeah, that bag, me and that bag has something to do. So, sidebar, funny story. I bought Peter Thomas Roth's bag thing where it's supposed to like soup up your bag extra firm. Yes, for under eye treatment. Oh my gosh. That sucker did not work. It kind of worked for like 10%, but it left the white residue under my eye. So I gave it to my mother. I don't know if she's going to use it, but we'll see. So anyway, this I'm using is Nars Orgasm blush, and I'm using like a buffer blush to do this. So don't ask me why I use a buffer blush and not a blush brush, but hey, who, you know, whatever. But I'm using it and it works. And this is Dior's mascara that I'm using. So I'm just getting my eyelashes prepped for my false eyelashes, pretty much. And I'm doing my top and my bottom lashes. I know you can see all this, so I don't know why I'm telling you this. But you get my gist, my drift. So I'm adding, I don't know what lashes these are because I got them from a makeup artist that did my makeup and I still kept them. And it was a thin band eyelash, so I really liked it. So I was just like, yeah, I'm using it. Just take the glue off previously, clean them off, and I could still use them. So this is my little thing, right? Even though I put my lashes on, I still add additional glue to the tips, the tail and the top. All right, I always put like a layer of glue on top of it just so I have added security because I wear glasses and the glasses might tend to bump against the eyelashes, which can make the front and the back of the eyelashes, the top and the back basically of your eyelashes come apart or sometimes come apart from your eyes basically, and the glue will wear off. So anyway, long story short, I just do that to make sure that it stays. And now here goes the fun part. I am putting my hair on. By hair, I mean my U-part wig. So this is my first time doing a U-part wig with combs. Not clips, but combs. Oh my gosh. Now, granted, I blew out my hair a little bit too straight, so the combs are kind of like slipping. But for the most part, it's secure and everything. It's super, super easy. I don't have to sleep with a whole wig on. And I just get to just like get ready and go. Oh my gosh. I love it. I really, really love it. So I have about like 6 clips in, 2 at the front, 7 actually, because I added an extra one to the side. But I have 2 on the side, 3 in the top part by the U, and 2 in the back. But for the back, what I would do, because this wig was originally created to be sewn on, but I just sewed on the combs because I was like, I was doing a photo shoot, and I was like, let me just add something on. Oh, and this is from Sephora also, this lip pencil. So this lip pencil is a retractable lip pencil. You can get whatever color you want to get, but I really like it, and it just looks natural. And this is my Fenty cream lip gloss that I got as a sample, and I really, really love it. Oh my god, it's so glistening. It is like the bomb. Okay, and it leaves your lips like super moisturized. I really, really love it. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed my natural makeup routine. Obviously it looks like I don't really have any makeup on, but I do have makeup on, so hope you enjoyed. All right, later.